I fooled everyone with my fake background.
So you go to the Pinterest app and download the wallpapers that you love to use. For this tutorial, I wanted something that was giving green aesthetic. I clicked on the ones I liked, then I downloaded them. Next, you want to go into the CapCut app and click on New Project. Go to Photos and select the pictures you just downloaded and click on Add. Once you have the photos lined up, click on Effects. Then click on the Video Effects. Then scroll and click on Lens. Then you scroll down to click on blur. Here you can adjust it however you like. I ended up putting mine in 23 because I didn't want it too blurry. When that is done, you click on overlay and select the clip you want to edit. Then you slide right and click on cutout, then remove background. It's going to take some time, but just be patient. Once the background is removed, this is what you have. When you get to this stage, the last step is just to zoom it in. Just zoom and adjust till you're satisfied. Lastly, because I wanted the background to blend, I clicked on transition. I chose the mixed transition because it blends very well. I'm doing the same for the other transition just to merge everything together. And we are done. This is the final result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, save, like, share, and follow for more tutorials. Bye!
Thank you all for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Share, like, and drop your comments. If you want me to make any video on any topic, please drop your comments and help us to share, like, and don't forget to follow us